Today we're looking at self-care, a card set all to do with your well-being, your work-life balance, and just your overall state of mind, an element that should be fundamental to your work, not an add-on or an afterthought. This set is amazing for reflective practice, reflecting on your work life, how your home life is different or the same, or if there's anything you'd like to change. Some of these cards we call polarity cards. They're an opportunity to extend thinking, transferring focus, discovering preferences you might have, or areas for improvement. One of the cards we like to look at is balance. The questions on the back of this card are: what helps you maintain or regain balance? What is one thing you could give more weight to? Questions like these are on every single card pertaining to the image. We encourage you to look through all these questions, as well as the digital toolkit for the set. This card set is often for those who support others, finding strength and power in conversations about self-care that do belong in every workplace and every home, finding that ability to disconnect